Hi, Arun here. So in last session we learned how to uninstall and reinstall P6. Now in this session we are going to check why we need to know about uninstalling and reinstalling. Sometimes when we open Primavera, it will not open. It will show database error. Look, in Primavera there are two sections, the front end and the back end. Front end is the software which we are viewing, the Primavera. Back end is the database. Whatever data we are entering in Primavera is storing inside the database, not in the front end. The other softwares, for example Excel, if we are doing some work, we can save it as a separate file. But in Primavera, we cannot do like that. Whatever we are entering in Primavera is storing or saving in the same time in the backend, the database. So if database have some issue or some error or anything due to any reasons, when we open Primavera, we cannot load the projects because database is in error condition. At that time, either we need to fix it or we need to uninstall P6. That time we need to know how to uninstall P6 and to install the new version. Now at that time the old data will go if we uninstall P6. Whenever we do any projects, just keep a backup so that if we need to reinstall Primavera, we will not lose our work. Now that's one reason, the database error in Primavera. Another thing is the Windows update. Maybe our system is affected with virus, we need to reinstall the Windows. At that time all the software will go. Then we need to reinstall Primavera. Windows updation is possible without uninstalling or deleting all softwares. At that case there is no issue. Issue comes when we will uninstall or delete all the installed softwares. At that time we need to reinstall this. Not only Primavera, whatever softwares we are using, we need to know how to install and reinstall. That will make our work fast, very fast. We will not depend anyone for that. See you next session.